live.me I'm gonna search up live.me apk. Live.me apk in this search. Live.me apk, but after it says search right there, right here, live.me apk. But every time you search for the app that you want to download, you need at the end you need to have APK, because that's the only way it will work. That's the only way it will work, because you have the APK at the end. So any website will do. Any website will do where you could find a download. I usually go with this one, APK Ma. And download Google Play Services framework. All the links to the things you need to download will be in the description. You click the download and see it says, do you want to download? And click download. And open. And install. So done. Next you wanna install Google Play Services. And you need to download Google Play Service. YouTube plus, and it will be this one right there. Be this one. The first one down. It'll be the first one down. And there'll be a button right there that says get. And get it and install it. I'm gonna open it and give you a preview that this app actually gets you YouTube Red with YouTube Red. And here's the preview that you can get YouTube Red for free right here. You see the phone is turned off. And now with the lock screen. Now and then after you've done it, just click start, and you see reverse plus original, and original plus reverse. Don't click these two, because those ones just take longer. And make sure your video that you want to make backwards is short, because the shorter it is, the less it will take for it to render. The longer it is, it will take a long time to render, and this wastes a little bit of your battery if the video is longer. So now click start, and then it'll reverse. I'm gonna pause the video, because it takes forever to render.
لست واحدا وسوف بالكمال والرب مش إلا مرارين